In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on this clock icon if it's not already on and tap on the plus one. Now you have to set up an hour, and when you're done, choose repeat. Now select daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go custom, so now I can select days of the week manually and tap on OK. Then choose ringtone, tap on one of those melodies or choose up all ringtones, and tap on apply next to the chosen melody. To select it, tap on OK in the pop-up, but you can also click on choose local ringtone, pick one of those sources like recorder and select one of the songs that you wish to set up, like that one. Then remember to choose apply next to it and tap on OK. Go back, choose label and label your alarm however you wish to. Then save your changes by tapping on OK. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations for this alarm. When you're ready, click at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and picking one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click at the same switcher. If you want to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, tap on this delete icon in the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!